There were two bright flashes that sparked here. You know, I feel such pity for this Bangaloreans, especially. Mefran is with his bag. I hope he does not lose it again. That I was above speed limit. And this one is the artist of doing that. This is one hut and this is the other one. So there are like 3-4 here. Man, you see the straight roads how they are. It's such fun to ride over here. You know, I've seen a lot of videos saying that testing cars fired and this and that. But this is the first time that I'm looking at it. But one thing is for sure, Bangalore will make me a better rider. So we are ready to leave. We are dressed up, all geared up also. We just have to put on our jackets and leave. So these panniers, we'll ask them to get them down because they are very heavy. So all these other things we'll keep in our hand only. Yes. So I'll just show you the view from our room. It's not much of a view. So this is like one big corridor. So this is how it looks from the room. And that's the main highway in front. So we have to take it straight and directly go to Pondicherry. So we are done mounting everything on a bike. Both these bikes also and this one too. And now we'll go to have tea somewhere. Sadly, my friend has nothing to mount because his bag fell yesterday. So we'll do some shopping in Pondicherry once we reach there. So we'll make a move now. The time right now is 10:17. So we are approximately going to reach at around 4 o'clock. I had sent these guys in front to check for tea somewhere. But they are not able to be seen here. So we'll just stop for tea here. A quick tea. And then we'll make a move. And we are having a bhaji. And we took 3 teas also. So we are right on the main road. So we just have to continue this way to reach Pondicherry. Actually we are getting late. Google is saying that we'll reach at around 6 o'clock. But we want to reach before that. Because there's some program at our hotel also that we want to attend. So we'll move now. So we are a bit in a hurry because we want to cover most of the distance. And you know, like this only I was going yesterday because my friend lost his bag. So as I was going only, my friend, so he called me and that's why I was going like above 60. And like there were two bright flashes that sparked here. And I was like, what happened? Then I just saw in front on the meter that it was saying that I was above speed limit. So I think I'll be getting a speed limit fine. But there's one good thing that if the camera was in front, I don't have to worry about, because from in front if anyone clicks a picture, my number plate is not visible. Only if it's from behind, then we might have a problem there. It's not even 2 minutes that we are on the road and we are stuck in traffic. So the main reason why we are in a hurry is because of this only. We are trying to move out of traffic from Bangalore itself before the traffic gets high. You know, I feel such pity for this Bangaloreans especially. Meaning like if you think practically, and even if you go to see to reach for 30 kilometers only it takes you around 2-3 hours. Okay, and if your office is even within a range of say 15 kilometers, 10 kilometers max, you imagine the time that it will take for you to reach to the office first. Meaning you will have to leave if your duty is at 9, you will have to leave at least at around 7:30. So morning you are getting up at 6:30, you are leaving at 7, and then even at night after your office ends, you will be home by, if it ends at 6, say at 6, you will be reaching home at around 9 and all. So then my thing is like, what's the point of it? The whole day you will be just spending in traffic and work, and where is your personal life? Sometimes I complain that I'm working from home and there's nothing to do and this and that, But you know, I should really be thankful for that, for the opportunity of working from home. So looks like that there's some service road or something. That's why all this diversion. Yeah, see, in front they're taking a turn. I think most of the traffic in Bangalore is because of the construction only, especially of the metro and all. So right now we are in Hosur and Pondicherry is saying 160 kilometers. I think because of the dust yesterday my sinus is triggered again. Oh shit, look at the traffic in front. As far as you can see, it's traffic, full traffic. That too, this is a toll road. There must be some accident or something. The sun is also out today. I hope it does not rain, because traffic and rain, then we'll have to stop, wear the raincoat and all. So here again we are stuck in traffic. But I think it's because of these trucks which are kept on the side. So they might be moving after 7. But one thing is for sure, Bangalore will make me a better rider, especially in traffic. I can already see the impact of it. You know, it's been like almost from 37 kilometers we have come to 50, so it means 27 kilometers we have covered. No, it's not 27, it is 17 kilometers that we have covered in just this traffic only, and it's showing for another 3-4 kilometers. I think we should have left, you know, quite early, because what has happened is this is a long weekend, so almost everyone is moving out of the city. I can smell almost every car's clutch plate, and with this bikes hit, it's too much. We are finally out of the traffic. There was no major cause of the traffic, but since there was a narrow road in front, it was there. At least this traffic is fine now that it's rolling. But Meffron, we lost track of Meffron. He must be somewhere behind. Yesterday also the same thing happened. We lost track of him, and then he ended up losing his bag and all. Oh, from here it's full open roads. So we took a short break because we were waiting for Meffron. So here he is come. We'll just drink this water and then make a move again. You know, I've seen a lot of videos saying that testing cars fired and this and that, but this is the first time that I'm looking at it. So this is looks like Mahindra's. So this is a car that's getting tested, but I'll just take you a bit close. I'll show you how the print on it is. So it means like this, like full checks. See. So this is the main road that's going to Salem, and this is Chennai. So we have to take a left here to go to Chennai. But we'll wait for Meffron. We'll wait somewhere in the shade in front. It's quite surprising that we have to take like this kind of a road to go to Chennai. I thought that'd be... Yeah. I thought that there should be like, you know, a 6-lane highway. Okay, we'll stop here for Meffron now. So I came to the shop. They have Red Bull here. So I'll buy 3 Red Bulls and something for me to drink. I'll drink Red Bull only, but something sweet also. And we'll take something to eat that's very light. So Google has got us into some interior village routes. must be that this road goes and merges into some main highway. So it has got us on the main road. Tiruvannamalai is 104, Mathur is 18, but Pondicherry is not written on that. You know, this Safari has a really good feature. Like if I am going to overtake him, there will be a yellow light that comes on his seat. There's a yellow light that comes on his rear view mirror. I don't think it's visible on this. So it tells the driver that there's someone in your blind spot. Be careful while overtaking. And it is so smart, it is not detecting this wall or anything, it is just detecting only vehicles. See, again the yellow light is come. So this is the main road that's connecting to Pondicherry, and we stopped to have Red Bull and some samosas. So I think we have a long way. It is showing that we'll reach at 5:30, but we'll stay for lunch also. We'll stay at around 3. The time right now is 1:30. Yes, 1:30. Till now it's a good ride. We are riding easily at 80, 100 and all. And although this is like just one lane, but there's not much traffic, so we can easily manage a good speed. So there's some accident that happened here. Oh shit, there's one hunter. Oh, it's a rider. Shit. There are a lot of people near them. The cops have also arrived. I hope they are fine. And that too, it went right on the other side of the road. And now the mountains are turning to more of a greenish side, on the greener side. So we have left the Rocky Mountains, and now they are like full filled with trees. You can't even see parts of mud. They're like full lush green mountains. But you know, these roads are really good. We are easily doing 80, 90, 100. My friend is far behind. He is not cruising fast, he is taking his own pace. That's fine, because we just have another 2 hours to ride. 2 or 3 hours to ride more. Man, you see the straight roads, how they are. It's such fun to ride over here. You know, it's like a full one plane, and we are just riding through it. There are no mountains, there's nothing. Mountains are like on the other side. And it's just flat land throughout. We just have to be careful of the dogs and all. Dogs and birds. So birds are also just crossing here and there. Oh, look at this machine. I think this is the one that harvests the fields. It's quite big. Also, we are getting some sound from the bike. We are not sure what it's regarding. We'll have to stop and check. But we have 1.5 hour that's remaining. That's exactly 119 kilometers. We have more. So we'll cover that. If it gives some problems, we'll stop, but if not, then we'll just keep on covering. It could be the cone set that needs greasing, or the wheel bearings that need greasing. It can be a lot of reasons, and it is not for now to debug. Once we stop, we'll check that. So we stopped again for Mefron. We are having Dew and he is having Pepsi. They were in the pannier and they have become warm. So it's like hot Dew and hot Pepsi. So I think Mefron is like half an hour behind. We'll wait for him to come. Let's see how long it takes for him to come though. Because it's like a similar situation where the main highway is this side and the bypass road is here. So we are afraid that he will go directly on the main highway. So it's better that we stop here. So a new view for y'all and for me also. But man, this handlebar vibrates a lot. No, handlebar vibrates as much. So we have to take a left from here, and from there on it's pretty straight road. You know, the look of my bike comes really good from behind. It looks like someone is on a real adventure. This is the first time I'm looking at it from behind with the panniers and bag on. So we stopped at this place. That's I don't know, Agni Giri restaurant. And we wanted something to drink. So he had took pineapple juice. I took sweet and salt lassi, and my friend took pineapple. He took orange juice. So our bikes are here. Because of the car, they asked us to take our bikes directly in. So I'll be riding the 350 only for some time. My friend will sit back and he will be riding the Himalayan. We have 1 hour 27 minutes to reach to our destination. That's our hotel. So actually it's a farm stay. We do not know. There will be some off-road to go over there. We think because it's a new property. The overall experience of this ride is going good. Only thing is at this time there's a lot of traffic that's on the road. But I think we'll be able to manage. Even if it takes 2 hours, it's not a problem. We'll reach there on time. So we are moving from this place now. So there's one problem with this bike that you know, the brake gets jammed up. So that's why my friend was finding it so difficult to ride. If there's any good mechanic that I can find, I'll repair it through him. Because you know, normally no one wants to touch a Royal Enfield because of its complications. So but we'll see. Puja that's going on. The whole way. So this is the firework that they are placing. So I'm looking for a repair shop. If I get that, I'll repair his brake also. It's saying 1 hour 17 minutes now. Oh, this guy is also towing the bike. I'm not going much fast because his brakes are not working that well. So it's showing another 44 minutes to reach. That's 44 kilometers also, because I was riding at a speed of 100 kilometers. So that's why it's 1 kilometer per minute. Tell.
A few moments later.
So we reached our rooms and our property looks like this. So this is one hut and this is the other one. So there are like 3-4 here. I'll show you the room inside. But for now I'm really tired. I'll first have bath and then there's some program in Auroville only. We'll be going over there. So it's some birthday. I'll give you the details, but it's some birthday. So there's we'll be going for lunch. We'll be going for dinner. And this is the sitting place here. Overall the property is really good. We liked it. The moment we came in, we liked this. And it's like we are staying right within the nature. There's no large buildings also close by. So yes, so first I'll have bath and then we'll see what the plan is. So we had bath and now we are going to Auroville. So there's some function over there. Kidhar hai? So there's some function over there. We are taking our bikes. We are not sure if we should wear the helmet because you know we have worn it for almost 1000 kilometers and now we are done with the helmet. So that's why I'm carrying the helmet, but I'll ask her if it's really needed to wear. Boys, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so after this we'll go for shopping in Pondicherry because Mefran threw his bag and he does not have anything to wear.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I mean he does not have extra clothes. So yes, we'll see what they have to say. So right now we are in Auroville and this is the Sola Kitchen dining hall. So the dinner is here. We came by bike, we parked our bikes here only. So we also not sure what the procedure is and what it is about. They just told us that it's someone's birthday. So we'll check first and then I'll let you all also know. The shoes here, but he kept here. One Puma is here, one Nike is here, one Puma is here, one Crocs is here, and some other one he kept some other places. And this one is the artist of doing that. We were scared that someone, might rob our shoes. So this is the line that we have to stand in. So this is our food that we got here. So we had food here and now we are going to shit. Yeah? No, it's not that. So now we are going to Pondicherry. So my friend is with his bike. I found some interesting facts here. I'll tell you once we reach our rooms or somewhere at a good place. We had to do that video. I think we should take a ride here.
Yeah.
So now we are going to the Pondicherry main market because Mefran does not have like all his things since his bag fell. So we reached Pondicherry, the main market. We'll see if we get something over here. So yeah. So we are come to take clothes from Mefran. So we are going inside. From outside we thought it was a small this, but it's quite big inside. It's a pretty big shop. It starts from this side and then goes all the way around. So we are looking for pens. My friend's shopping is not getting home only. He is still deciding on which color he should buy. Okay. Good. Do you feel proud? So he got 2 t-shirts and 1 pen. So we'll just check and then we'll have ice cream or something in the main city. It's really hot. I think it's hot here. I don't know. Outside it's also hot. The outside is a bit better, but inside it's hot. So we'll buy that and we'll make a move. So if you look closely, there's no one wearing a helmet. I'll tell you why it is later. So right now we are walking on the streets of Pondicherry. We are just going to a beach that's here because we do not have anything much to do. So this is some garden that's here. Oh, it's no. Mefran is with his bag. I hope he does not lose it again. Yes, so we'll go over there, we'll check. It's a rock beach that's quite famous here. But the rush over here is quite a lot, I think, during this time. especially because of it's a long weekend, that's why. So I think that's the lighthouse, all in colorful lights for Independence Day. So we reached the beach here, but there's a lot of crowd, and I think that is the war memorial, this one, and here's the lighthouse. So we'll just wait here for like 1-2 minutes and go. So we are taking some fresh lime soda here because we are fully exhausted roaming here, and it's quite humid over here. So we'll be visiting Bomb Jesus Chapel. I think it's a church. So it's just like 450 meters from here only. We'll go over there. So we came to the church, but during the dark we can't see much. So we'll come again tomorrow morning or afternoon. We like the French colony also. So we'll be coming in the morning tomorrow after exploring Auroville. So we'll see what exactly is there in Auroville, and then we'll be coming here. So now, So now we'll have some ice cream, and we'll go to a hotel. It's 17 kilometers from here, and we have to take the national highway. It feels a bit scary without riding without the helmet, but still we'll go now. So we have come to the beach side again because we wanted to have ice cream. So it's showing that there is some good ice cream parlor over here only. Here, that's Richie Rich, this one. So we ordered ice cream, and this is pineapple, this is lychee, and this is rose and coconut. So we'll see how it tastes. So my phone charge is also quite low. I think this will be the end. So I'll go to my room and I'll charge my phone over there. So we came back to our room, and we are just sitting, me and my friend. The time is 1:30. So I sat with them, the host. They are like really good people. So I sat with them. We were just talking about our travel journeys only. So she also has traveled a lot, and so there were two boys also. They were also telling that they were recommending me that I should go to Ladakh because I do bike trips. Yes, so the overall journey today was really good. Getting out of Bangalore was a bit tricky because of the traffic, like almost 5-6 kilometers we went to traffic. But after that, we have maintained really good speed of 100 and all, so it was like good. A new experience, like riding on hundreds on single lane highways. It wasn't dangerous, but yes, the risk is there obviously. But there was no rash driving. And Pondicherry is also good. We went to that French colony also, the white colony I think they call it. We had ice cream and all, it was good. So there are few things that we learned about Pondicherry. So that is, there are no traffic rules here. There are, but no one follows. It's not compulsory to wear a helmet, nor you don't need to do anything. You can go in wrong ways, you can do whatever you want. And only problem is triple sit, surprisingly. That is the main problem. But wrong ways is not a problem here. So that is the thing. But we prefer wearing helmets. Today we went without wearing helmets. So Pondicherry is, we have to take the national highway, I guess 77. It is very dangerous, extremely dangerous not wearing a helmet. So tomorrow if we travel that side, I will be wearing a helmet. Tomorrow we are going for some workshops, some pottery workshops and other workshops here only. There's scuba diving workshop also. If we want, we can go there. So tomorrow is also going to be an awesome day exploring the Auroville. And I think that's it for today. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll just edit this video now, and then I'll go to sleep because tomorrow is not much of a long day for us. It's just Auroville is just 2 kilometers. Actually, we are staying in Auroville only. It's just 2-3 meters. Just so on this side it's Pondicherry, and other side it's Auroville. So just 2 meters away from Auroville. So we'll go there. There's some bakery also they have recommended us. So we'll go over there. If you all have liked anything, please do comment. Your comment means a lot to me. I enjoy reading them. So please do comment. Till then, see you on the next video. Bye.